friends.
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to West Park, a peaceful neighborhood in Red Deer, Alberta. This community was one of the city's first planned residential areas, developed in the early 1950s as Red Deer began to grow westward. With mature trees, quiet streets, and a close-knit feel, it's easy to see why generations of families have called this area home. Whether you're exploring the trails, visiting friends, or just taking in the quiet surroundings, West Park offers a true sense of home in the heart of Red Deer. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Red Deer, Alberta. Red Deer is a growing city in central Alberta, located between Calgary and Edmonton. The city started as a stopping place for travelers and fur traders in the 1800s, thanks to its location by the Red Deer River. The river's name comes from early settlers who called the local elk Red Deer. Today, Red Deer is a busy city known for its parks, trails, and outdoor spaces. It's surrounded by farmland and rolling hills, with the beautiful Rocky Mountains not far to the west. The city has a strong history in farming, oil, and trade, and it remains a welcoming place where people enjoy a mix of nature and community life. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Red Deer, Alberta. Thanks for watching!